and Violetta will show us slow Foxtrot gold level choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we achieve promenade position and start natural weave from promenade position. We continue in the corner with hover Telemark, and then we dance classical feather step with top spin in slightly unusual direction. We continue with 3-step and hover cross. Notice ladies heel turn here. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on directions of movement. So we take close hold, we achieve promenade position, preparation step, and we start diagonally to wall with natural weave from promenade position. We move diagonally to center and again diagonally into corner. We continue with hover Telemark in corner and we continue diagonally to center with feather step and down line of dance with top spin. We dance 3-step diagonally to wall and then hover cross, down line of dance into corner, and we finish diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romans and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.